There we go. We're eating the black egg.
Does anybody want an egg?
So I asked for 2, and I didn't realize I was getting 2 bags, each bag holding 4 eggs. So we have 8 black eggs.
I've given 2 of them
We've
away.
given a bunch of them away. Okay, so let's see. All right, let me flip this around. We'll do this way. All right, crack it open. Yep, I think there should be a little packet of salt or something in there too.
How the fuck?
Ooh, watch the language. Here, crack it against the ground. It's a shell. Crack it against the ground. It's an egg. You're gonna have a hard time. Just crack it against the ground.
Crack it against the ground.
Oh well, you're being too silly. It's just an egg. Okay.
Okay.
Sit. Just a normal egg on the inside. Here, you can put the shells in here.
Boiled in spring water, so it's like
So that's how it gets black?
apparently.
So it's boiled in the sulfur water. That's interesting. They're warm still.
Yeah. Look at the stain. It's colder up here, so it's like, yeah.
All right, break it open. Ooh, the yolk's a little. Ah, no, that's a healthy egg. Look at how yellow that egg is. Okay, so let me try. Hold that. No. Oh,
Well, I thought you were eating the other one.
okay, then crack the other one for me. Okay.
You had 2. I'm glad they're not like sticking to the shells. Not
I
sticking
know.
To the thing. I wonder
What
why
they
that
did
is.
to make sure the shell doesn't stick.
'Cause that's like amazingly perfect.
Okay, let's try this. Let's get out of sunlight. There we go. Tastes like a good egg.
Yep.
Okay, there we go. Black egg. Bye.